It's day one of the 2012 Best Ranger competition, and teams have just completed the 15-mile foot march.
Just trying to conserve energy here for the O course. No one's trying to rush it in, as you can tell.
Ranger teams have arrived at Camp Darby, the home of the Darby Queen obstacle course. This event is historic to the competition and is testing the competitors' strength, agility, and endurance. With 26 separate obstacles over 1,600 meters of wooded and uneven terrain, the Darby Queen pushes Rangers to the limit.
In the middle of the obstacle course, you do have the high obstacles. With some rope climbing, they're actually ascending, anywhere from 30 to 40 feet up. Those can get a little tough. I would say maybe the one that's probably going to be the toughest year is probably the inverted rope descent.
Team 40 from the 199th Infantry Brigade offers up some strategy.
Trick is just, bodily maintenance. Just making sure that, we're pacing ourselves.
Rangers are timed and must tackle each obstacle of the course to continue on.
Being a Ranger, you want to be the best. And the easiest way to do that is to have a competition. And you're going to have, at one point in this competition, whether it be on this obstacle course or tomorrow night or later tonight, one of those guys on that team is not going to want to keep going, and that's why his Ranger buddy's there. He's going to get him through it.
Those Rangers who survived the Darby Queen will be taken by helicopter to their next challenge. Nate Snook, Fort Benning TV.